Here we go. I love Japanese face masks, and I'm blessed to live in Japan where I can easily get my hands on them. And it's nice to see more and more being offered on Amazon stores outside Amazon.jp. The Lululun Over 45 series is a specialized line of Japanese sheet masks designed to address the skin changes that occur after 45, specifically targeting a decline in moisture and elasticity. Well, I'm a decade at least over that, but these are still good enough for me. I recently made a huge Lululun haul, and I'm sharing one of these two with you today. The clear mask, the one with the purple and pink on the front. Now, this one targets age spots and uneven skin tones to promote a brighter, more luminous complexion. It's got Persic silk tree extract to neutralize glycation, which can cause skin to lose its plumpness. I like that this one hydrates without leaving a sticky film, and appreciate the no drip serum consistency, which I've often found with lots of other masks that can get quite messy if you're not over a sink and you're not prepared for that. I like that this is safe for daily use, so I can use it as a replacement for daily toner. What I don't like about this mask is that the eye and mouth holes are stupidly small, and overall I think the mask could be just bigger. If you get this in bulk packaging, it's more eco-friendly and cost-effective, but I like to try different ones. Note that this is more of a steady hydration booster and not an instant miracle treatment. If you've got insanely dry skin, you might want to follow up with a moisturizer to lock in the serum. I would recommend buying this in bulk if you can because it's more eco-friendly and cost-effective, but if you're like me, you might prefer the variety in your skincare. Note that while this is moisturizing, it may not provide an instant wow factor. It's better suited for long-term daily maintenance. I've tried most of Lululun's face masks now, and I do feel that they are a reliable, affordable choice for daily skincare, though results may be more noticeable to me than others. And yeah, they do require consistent use. This clear one is great. I recommend.